in chapter inheritance. So that is abstract class. So Java abstract class. So basically abstract is a keyword. So we will know in detail what is abstract class, and we will get clarity by taking an example. So when a class is preceded by the keyword abstract is known as abstract class. Is known as abstract class. An abstract class may contain concrete method or abstract method. Normal method is also known as concrete method. Whatever normally the method we are defining, we can say that is concrete method. But another point I mentioned, an abstract class may contain abstract method. So like a abstract class, so like a class, we can represent a method as abstract method. Okay, so abstract class may contain abstract method, and we will give the focus to abstract method. So like a class, it is possible that we can write in this way, like a class, it is possible that we can declare a method as abstract, which is also preceded by the keyword abstract, which is known as abstract method. Then you remember abstract method having no definition or no body. So what I told, when a class, directly I will go to the practical section. Suppose I will I will create a new Java file. Let my class name is abstract example. Okay, so my file name is abstract example.java. Now I will define a class. Let my class name is, suppose let my class name is demo. Okay, or let it calculation. This, but this class, if I will write or if I will preceded by the keyword abstract, so we can say this is a abstract, this is an abstract class. Now my class name is calculation, and my class I preceded by the keyword abstract. So what I wrote, abstract class may contain abstract method, may contain concrete method, but we are focusing abstract method. So what I have written, like a class, it is possible that we can declare, we can represent a method as abstract, which is known as abstract method. Abstract, let void calculate, suppose one method I am defining, let int x1 argument. But here the definition is saying the method without definition, the method without body, that is known as abstract method. Abstract method having no definition. Definition means method name, curly bracket begin, curly bracket end, within curly bracket begin and end, we are writing some statement that the body. So the method having no body, then this is called as abstract method. Here calculation is an abstract class. This calculation containing an abstract method, so that abstract method name is calculate method taking one int argument. then question immediately will arise. Sir, if the method without body I am representing, we know that a method definition is representing a task. If I will not define a method, so how it is representing a task? Then how that method I will call by the object? Like, so varieties of question will come to our picture. Yes, that question is valid question. Method definition is mandatory. If we will not define a method, it is not representing a task. Then question is here, calculate method is an abstract method, and abstract method definition is saying abstract method having no definition, abstract method having no body. But anyhow, we have to define that method. So question is how an abstract method we will define. Then point is, so abstract method that we will define by creating a new subclass. That means I will create a new subclass. In that subclass I will define the method. You see, suppose I will create a new subclass. Let class demo1, let extends calculation. So now I am creating new subclass. I created. Now here demo1 is my subclass name. Now in this subclass I can define abstract method. So void calculate int x, particularly exact method I will write. But thing is that when I am defining abstract method inside subclass, then there is no need to specify abstract keyword. Okay, suppose I will write system dot out dot println. So I can write x into x, square of x, let it. So I can write square of x is, let this x into x, business logic is x into x. Now it is representing one task. So that abstract method we can define n number of times by creating n number of subclasses. Now the main advantage is, suppose one method that I have, the calculate method, and that method is an abstract method, but same calculate method within bracket int x, same method and its signature. By taking that method and its signature, I can perform multiple tasks. Suppose I want to find the square of x, cube of x, square root of x. So what I will do, I can write class demo2. Suppose here another subclass I created, calculation. Now, so I will create another subclass, same exact method I will specify, void calculate int x. So I can write system dot out dot println. So I can write cube of x is, so logic is x into x into x, x into x into x, in this way. So I can write the logic. Now again, what I did, so calculate method I defined by creating another subclass. Similarly, suppose if I will write class demo 3 extends calculation. So again, suppose I will define, so void calculate int x. Okay, so system dot out dot println. So square root of x is, okay. So there is a class math dot sqrt method x. So built-in class name, built-in function. When we will use the corresponding package, we have to import. So that is coming from which package? Import java dot lang dot star package. Okay, so I think in a demo 1 there is a red color mark, demo 2 there is a red color mark. So demo 1 and a demo 2 class already available in this in this package, means com dot inheritance. Okay, so I can write demo let it 4, this is a demo 5, let this is okay, demo 6. Okay, so now calculation is my abstract class. So this calculation is my abstract class. This class containing one abstract method. So that abstract method name is calculate method, taking one int argument. So that calculate method I defined in demo 4, in a demo 5 and in demo 6 class. So in this context, demo 5, demo 4, demo 5 and demo 6. So these three classes are sub classes. Okay, now I will go to main method. So now I will go to main method, public static void main string args. Okay. So you remember one point, abstract class never instantiate. Abstract class never instantiate. That means we can't create an object of abstract class. We cannot create an object of abstract class. If we have an abstract class, so we cannot declare an object of that abstract class. You remember, this is the point. So not an issue. So it is not possible that we can take an object of calculation class, but there is no problem because we have three subclasses: demo 4, demo 5 and demo 6. So demo 4 ob1 equals to new demo 1. In this way I can declare an object. Demo 5, let ob2 equals to new demo 5. So demo 6, let ob3 equals to new demo 6. So in this way I can declare ob1, ob2, ob3 object. This is demo 4. Now after that, so I will call calculate method, calculate, but taking one int argument. Suppose I will pass 2, then ob2 dot calculate method I will pass 3 let. So ob3 dot calculate, so I will pass 4 let. Okay, so when you see once 2 I am writing, automatically it is displaying x colon 2. That means the value of x is 2. So when this line will execute, so ob1 is the object of a demo 4 class, then this calculate method definition will execute, and this calculate method definition is representing square of x. That means 2 into 2, that is 4. Similarly, after execution, then control will come to this line ob2 dot calculate within bracket 3. ob2 is the object of demo 5 class, then control will go to demo 5 class and calculate method definition will execute. So that calculate method definition is representing cube of x, that means 3 into 3 into 3, so that is 27. And when control will execute this line ob3 dot calculate method, ob3 is the object of demo 6 class, so control will go to the demo 6 class and calculate method definition will execute square root of 4, that is 2 or 2.0. Okay, so I hope everybody got clarity. Now you see I will hit run, so I will get the output. So you see square of x is 4, square of x is 4, cube of x is 27, square root of x is 2.0. So happily we got the output. Advantage is same point, one abstract method, but we are using in different subclasses, many subclasses, and performing multiple tasks. But method name is same, calculate method, and taking same signature int x. So by taking a particular method along with the signature, and I am using in many subclasses and performing multiple tasks. So that is the purpose of abstract method. And abstract method means the method having no body. So how an abstract method we are defining by creating a new subclass. I am creating a new subclass. Inside the new subclass, that abstract method I am defining. So this is all about the concept of abstract class. I hope everybody got clarity.